it to a to-done list. Plumbing and electrical problems, damaged floors and tile, walls, ceilings, doors, trim and cabinet repairs, anything. AGM gets it done, and done right. Call now and get a free home inspection.
If you are facing a tax audit from the Canada Revenue Agency, listen up. The economy is suffering, and the CRA is being especially tough. Don't stress alone. Let the tax experts handle it. Call Blackfeldstein and Associates Professional Corporation Chartered Professional Accountants. We deal with the CRA every day, so you can sleep at night. Get peace of mind. Visit markfeldstein.ca to learn more. markfeldstein.ca.
Right now, 12 degrees. Light rain. 680 News Time, 7:30.
Number one for breaking news.